In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Elementor. We'll set this up right inside the Elementor editor using the shortcode widget and a small snippet of code, so you get a clean, fully functional search powered by WordPress in just a few steps. First, open the page or template you want to edit with Elementor. This could be a regular page, a header layout, or a sidebar section, wherever a search box will be most useful for your visitors. Once the editor loads, look to the left panel, use the search field at the top, and look for the shortcode widget. When you find it, drag and drop it into the exact spot where you want the search bar to appear. Placing it inside a column gives you nice control over alignment and spacing. With the shortcode widget selected, you'll see a large input area where you can paste code. Paste this snippet there. Search. That's all the structure your search bar needs. Here's what each part does. The role is set to search, which helps assistive technologies understand the purpose of this form. The method is get, which is exactly how WordPress expects search queries to be sent. The action points to your site's home URL, so the request goes to the default search results page. The input's name is S, and that's the key WordPress looks for to run a search. You can change the placeholder text to something like search articles and rename the button label if you prefer a different call to action. Pressing enter inside the field works the same as clicking the button. Take a look at the live preview on the right. You should immediately see a search box and a submit button in the spot you chose. The appearance will inherit your global styles or theme settings, so fonts and colors should match your site automatically. If spacing feels tight, adjust the surrounding section or column padding the same way you would for any other Elementor content. When you're happy with placement and look, click Update to save your changes. Your new search bar is now active and uses WordPress's built-in search engine to find relevant posts, pages, and other public content. If you've placed it in a header template, it will appear across your site wherever that header is used, and search results will display using your theme or template's search results layout. Simple, fast, and reliable.